Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Hum to Search in YouTube app on Android phone. Let's have a look. First, open YouTube app on your smartphone. Then tap search button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap microphone icon. Then select while using the app. Select song from the tab at the top. Now start humming the tune and let YouTube search it for you. Wait for some time and the results will be displayed for you. Now you can play the song from YouTube. So these are the steps to use Hum to Search in YouTube app on Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.